Welcome to Dad Hacks 101, where we help you hack your way to fatherhood success because being a dad doesn't come with an instruction manual. Whether you're a new dad or a seasoned pro, we've got tips and tricks to make your life a little easier. Remember to like this video, click on the notification bell icon, and subscribe to our channel for more dad hacks. Hey there, future dads. Today we're going to be talking about how to prepare for fatherhood and be a supportive husband. First things first, congratulations. You're about to embark on the greatest adventure of your life, and it's going to be amazing. But let's be real, it's also going to be challenging, especially if you're a first-time dad. But don't worry, because we've got your back. So what can you do to prepare for fatherhood? Well, first off, start practicing your dad jokes. Trust me, your child will appreciate it, even if your partner doesn't. And speaking of your partner, being a supportive husband is key to being a good dad. Make sure you're there for her during the pregnancy, offer to help out with household chores, and maybe even cook her favorite meals, if you're brave enough. Another thing you can do is start reading up on parenting tips and tricks. There are tons of resources out there, including books, blogs, and yes, even videos like this one. And don't forget to practice your baby holding skills, because you're going to be doing a lot of that. But most importantly, don't forget to have fun. Being a dad is one of the most rewarding experiences you can have, so make sure you enjoy every moment of it. Play with your child, explore the world together, and create memories that will last a lifetime. And if you ever feel overwhelmed, just remember that it's okay to ask for help. Reach out to other dads, join a support group, or talk to your doctor or pediatrician. You don't have to do this alone. So there you have it, future dads. You've got this. And remember, being a supportive husband is just as important as being a great dad. So go out there, have fun, and make your family proud. And that's a wrap on Dad Hacks 101. Remember, no one has all the answers when it comes to parenting, but we're here to help you find them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips on navigating fatherhood. Until next time.